Dear students, today we have come up with some more examples on design patterns. So this is another design pattern well known, which is known as factory design pattern. This means that we try to build the system in loosely coupled modules. For example, every car factory builds different things independently, and those are loosely coupled. Like the car have tires, those tires are independently built, and those have intra-module cohesion. And then there is very small inter-module coupling available in different modules. There is an engine available that is separately available, and you can connect to that engine wherever required. So the factory design pattern takes some inputs from the user. So it say, okay, tell me the color of the car, the model, and some other options which may be taken from the user, and those are inputted to the factory. So this doesn't mean that factory start manufacturing the car for that particular user. No, the factory has already created cars that has loosely coupled system of engine, tire, body, its glass, all of the things, lights, all of the things are available. So based on the user requirement, they just now need to connect the things and present it to the user. So then there is another design pattern known as front controller pattern. So for example, if there is a user who want user information, so for example, there is a module here, which is application controller user handler. So this module will be called by this particular user to access the user information. Then the second user wants account information that is available with the account handler module, and then get salary info of the user is accessed by salary handler. So when you design software, the front controller pattern says that do not connect user directly to this handler. So in fact, there should be front controller module or handler which gets all of the inputs from the user here, and then it dispatches the request to particular modules handlers. So this is another front controller pattern which doesn't allow user to directly interact with the particular handler of that particular application. So we have an intermediate layer over here. So this is an intermediate layer. So then there is a well-known design pattern known as shopping cart design pattern. You might have performed online shopping sometimes. So when we perform online shopping, the name of the product is written, some other details is mentioned here, then the quantity is mentioned, price, and the total price is mentioned over here, and all of the things are then aggregated over here. So this is the problem, that when we are going to perform the online shopping, different people have performed different people have solved this problem with different strategies or modules or methods. So this design pattern says that you should write the name of the product, the quantity, item price, and item total. So this design pattern can be used when to buy more than one product, because we can write that we need one product here, and this is the second product, and third product will come over here if required. Then to buy more than one instance of the product, so here we can write down the quantity of the products. And want to return later to carry shopping, want to return later for payment. However, this design pattern should not be used when only one product to sell. So if you have a stock of only one product, then you do not need to adopt the shopping cart design pattern. And similarly, do not use when only one product can be sold at one time. Like your internet service provider provides you one access or one internet at one time. So if you are going to online shop your ISP or your account, then this shopping cart design pattern is useless. However, in all of these situations, this design pattern is important. So if we summarize today's module, we have learned design pattern examples, we have learned about factory design pattern, front controller design pattern, and shopping cart pattern. And there are many different design patterns available, which you will be learning in software engineering related courses in the later semesters.